Welcome to Trojan. Have you ever been deep in a research dive, spotting tokens you might want to track for future buys, or thinking, is this the meta? Is this next? Then you need your watch list, your personal hub for everything that catches your eye. Think of it as your scratch pad inside the terminal, a place to jot down and organize token names for quick access later. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to create, customize, and manage your watch lists. Let's dive in. From any page with the top bar visible, click the Watch List button in the upper left corner. Then tap the gear icon to manage your lists. Click Create Watch List to start. Rename it to something that stands out. Make it yours. You can make multiple lists, different categories, different tokens, however you like. It's your terminal. Organize it in a way that fits the way you trade. Now, let's see it in action. Head to the Explorer. Adding tokens takes just 2 clicks. Hit the star next to any token, choose your list, and you're done. You can do the same thing in Trenches or right on the main trade page. 2 clicks, and it's saved. You can dock your watch list on the left or right for constant visibility, or undock it to float wherever you like. Close it with a single click when you're done. If you just want a quick running list, you can even display it in the top bar. Your watch list, your tokens, your way. No matter how you trade, Trojan gives you the edge you need.